children. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. How are you, Makkars? Hope all are fine. Right? Okay, today GK class I am starting with one rhyme. Okay? All of you listen carefully. Okay? Ready? Yes, I am ready. You also ready? Okay. One little, two little, three little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indians, boys and girls. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian, boy and girl. Okay? How is the song? We want to learn this song. Okay? That song is in our textbook. Okay? I sing once again. Okay, ready? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indians, boys and girls. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian, boy and girl. Okay, very nice song, no? Very simple song. You want to by heart this song, okay? Because that rhyme is in our textbook. Okay. Today's class we continue from the last topic. Okay, what was that? Yes, we learned about our India, right? Our nation, my nation. Yes, my nation. Which is our nation? Which is our country? Yes, India. India is my country. Right? Okay. I'll show you. First of all, I'll show you your book. Open, all of you, open your book. And look at the book. Okay, first page. My nation. Look at here. My nation. All of you hold like this. Okay? Yes, our India. Map, Indian map. All of you, look at our India. Yes, this is India's map. Look at the picture. Look at the map. Yeah, many more things. What are they? Shall we go through these pictures? Huh? All of you look at your page, okay? Inside our India's map, and outside also some pictures. Shall we read that with the help of pictures, okay? Okay, see one boy. One boy is enjoying here, right? Yes, and a girl also. What is in her hand? Something, she is holding something, no? One flower, what is that? Ah, lotus. Yes, lotus. And here one animal. Which animal is this? Tiger. Yes, tiger. And here in the middle, one boy is holding something, no? Yes, flag, our national flag. And here one bird. Which bird is that? Peacock. Yes. And look at inside the map, India's map. Okay. First look at here. What is this? What is this? Huh? Anybody? Anybody knows? Vallamkali. Yes? Vallamkali. And who is this? Who is this? Mahatma Gandhi. Who is this? Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation. Rashtrapidavu, alle? Father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji. Who is? Gandhiji. And look at the top. What is this blue color, blue and white in color? Himalayan mountains. Okay, Himalayan mountains. And the next one, what is this? India Gate. What is this? India Gate. Once again, India Gate. And next one, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. What is this? Taj Mahal. And below, one more. What is this? Charminar. What is this? Charminar. Now we saw this national flag. And one more thing. What is this? Is this Onam? Yes. Okay. Shall we go through once again? Inside the map, India's map. Okay. Vallankalli, Mahatma Gandhi, and Himalayan mountains, India Gate, Taj Mahal, Charminar, national flag, and outside, and one more Onam also, and outside one boy and a girl. That girl is holding one flower, lotus, and one animal, tiger, and one bird also in that side, peacock. Okay, we went through that all the pictures in that page. Okay, now look at the board. Okay, look at the board. Now I am going to write some words. Those words you know that. You thorough that words, but you want to read the words and tell me what is that. Okay, ready? Yes. First one, L O T U S. Got it? Once again, L O T U S. L-O, lotus. Yes, lotus. You read that. What is lotus? In the last class we learned what is lotus. National flower. What is lotus? National flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Okay, that over. The next one, ready to read. Okay, starting with the T, T, I, G, E, R. Have you got it? T, I. I sound as I. Tiger. Tiger. T, I, G, E, R. Yes, you are correct. Tiger. Tiger is one animal. We know that. But what is the speciality of tiger? Tiger is our national animal. Our national animal. Right? Which is our national animal? Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Okay, shall we write the next one? Ready to read. Okay, ready to read. P E A C O C K. Once again, P E A C O C K. P E A and the P cock. Peacock. Correct. Peacock. Yeah, beautiful bird, right? Tell me what is peacock? Is a bird? Which bird? Our national bird. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. That also yours correct. Next one. Shall we do the next one? Starting with B. Okay. B A N Y A N and T R E E. Once again, B A N Y A N and T R E E. T-R-E-E, that is tree. So what is that? Banyan tree. What is that? Banyan tree. We learned the last class. From the last class we learned what is banyan tree. National tree, our national tree. Which is our national tree? Banyan tree. Okay. The next one. That is very easy, okay? Who will read first? Who will read first? Next one. M-A-N-G-O. Yes, mango. Very easy, no? M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango is our national fruit. National fruit. Which is our national fruit? Mango. What will come next? Fruit after? Something you learn? Let me see, okay? P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Once again. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. What is pumpkin? One vegetable. Which vegetable? National vegetable. Our national vegetable. Which is our national vegetable? Pumpkin. Yes. Then next one more. Can you read this? F-L-A-G. Once again. F-L-A-G. F-L. Flag. 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 What is flag? Our national flag. 3-color flag. We learned from the last class. Okay, now we learn many words. We read many words. We wrote many words. We read many words. Right? Shall we revise all together? I will show you the picture also. Okay? First one, lotus. First one, lotus. Yes. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. The next one, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Which is our national animal? Tiger. The next one is, yes, peacock. Peacock. Which is our national bird? Yes, peacock. Next one, see one tree. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Which is our national tree? Banyan tree. Next one is mango. Mango is our national fruit. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Next one is pumpkin. Pumpkin is our national vegetable. Okay. The last one is flag. See our flag, Indian flag. How many colors? How many? 3 colors. First one, saffron. The next, white and green. Saffron stands for something, no? The last class you learned. Courage. Yes. Then white stands for peace. And the green stands for prosperity. And the middle, something is there in the middle. Ashok Chakra. That is our national flag. Okay, we learn many things, right? Many things. Right? Okay. Then who is our national, who is our father of nation? Who is our father of nation? Look at here, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji. We are calling Gandhiji, right? Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation. Rashtrapidavu. Okay. Now, we went through many things, right? Now I'm going to ask something. Now I'm going to ask something. You want to ready to jump and answer. Ready to answer. Okay? Okay? Before finish my question, you jump and answer. Okay? Because this is very, very easy. Okay. I'm going to read some sentences. Okay? I'm going to read some sentences. That is riddles. That is riddles. Okay. Riddles means what? Kadangada. What is riddles? Kadangada. I'm going to read that. Okay? You want to answer that. Okay, first one. Who will say first? So you want to listen carefully. Okay? I'm a flower. എന്താ ഫ്ലവർ ആണ്, ഞാനൊരു ഫ്ലവർ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. I'm a flower. I live in pure water. I live in pure water. I'm your national flower. I'm your national flower. You got the answer? Yes, but I'm not finished my one more sentence is there. People love me so much. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, lotus. You are correct. Lotus. Yes, lotus is a flower. Live in pure water. National flower. And people love so much. We love so much. Right? Okay, ready for the next one. Ready for the next one. Okay? This is not in your textbook, so you listen carefully. Okay? I'm an animal. Who am I? I'm an animal. I'm an animal. I live in jungle. I live in jungle. Who am I? I'm your national animal. I'm your national animal. And one more thing, I have yellow and black strips. Yellow and black strips. Who am I? Got it? Yes, no doubt, that is tiger. Tiger is our national animal, live in jungle and yellow and black strips. Okay, that also correct. Good job. Next one. Okay. I'm the king of fruits. I'm the king of fruits. I'm fleshy and juicy. I'm fleshy and juicy. I have only one big seed inside. I have one big seed inside. I'm very tasty. I'm very, very tasty. Many fruits will be there, right? But I'm your king of fruits. I'm king of fruits. Fleshy and juicy, but inside one big seed. One big seed. Who am I? Yes, that is mango. That is mango. Great. Great, children. Okay, you understood many things, right? I know you all are thorough. My nation. Do you know which is our national language? Which is our national language? We know many things, but we want to know that thing also. National language, Hindi. Which is our national language? Hindi. That also you want to know. Okay? Okay, now our that chapter is over. That my chapter is over. We want to wind up the class, children. You want to know, we are Indians, we want to know all these things, all these informations. Okay? Nobody forget these things. Okay? Bye bye. See you the next class. Assalamu alaikum.